Yo, what's up, man? No fall? No fall. Sorry, I'm not sure how to say your name. Good morning, bro. Let me make sure the Discord stream is set up. Share my screen. Share. Okay, there we go. Oops. Share my OBS. Awesome. Good morning, Mandy. Got no accounts this week. Oh, damn. That's unfortunate, man, but honestly I mean, it is difficult, but that's also another reason why just kind of staying in the game is kind of really how you win at trading. And it's not just prop trading, right? So like, if we're talking like actual trading, because prop trading is very different from actual trading in terms of how you approach your P&L. But yeah, survival is king, man. Like, surviving is how you make money, so. Yeah, hopefully you win the giveaway. We're doing a ton of giveaways as long as we can reach the likes, so. Speaking of which, I'm giving away free accounts to all my mentees, so. Let me actually go and do that right now. I forgot to get them their accounts. It's the perks of being one of my students, where I'm giving them free accounts like all the time. Just got that done. Oh my god, the screen is so far away. Give me 1 second, guys. I promised my students I'd email them a free account. I haven't done that yet, so. Grab the code. Alrighty, there we go. Let's go, dude. Bottom knee combine. Yeah, let's do it, man. Spapple, dude, of course. I remember most of you guys who've been in here for a little while. I remember your names. You fully transitioned to just a dominant footprint reader now. You've evolved. You've come into your true form. Yeah, our YouTube has finally made like a little bit over $100 this past month. So we bought a footprint, or not footprint, a book map with it. So you can see that on the stream now. We got book map on the stream. And in terms of, where'd it go? Yeah, and we have like 6 lucid flexes to give out. Yeah, we got like 6 lucid flex accounts to give away, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll try to give those away this week. If you guys want Apex accounts, we'll do like 2 Apex accounts if you guys win the giveaway. So if you win the giveaway and you want Apex, we can do 2 accounts. You changed your chat location to, yeah, my chat's up here now. Yeah, I've actually just ordered extra monitor mounts, and I'm gonna stack all my monitors because, bro, like, it's like in a circle around me. It's like way too much turning. My neck's hurting. Alright. What time is it? Alright, let's start marking out some levels. I don't like how there's no templates right now. I don't know if they'll ever add it, but having no templates is a little unlucky. It's London High, right? It's gotta be London High. Dude, this is kind of looking like a pretty clean cup and handle. Is it not? We'll see, I guess. What was I doing? Alright. Am I trading eval or funded? I'm trading both. I am trading both. Probably lock out my fundeds after a little bit of profit because I don't need too much more to secure another max payout out of my Tradeifys. So I'm probably going for like base hits on my Tradeify accounts. Alright. Asia, where were you? color do I usually do Asia? I think I usually do Asia as blue. So I was a little confused. I usually do London as green. And Asia low. Where was Asia low? Oh, this was just Asia low. Yo, what's up, Jake? If you have a spare top 1 futures laying around, I know a guy who could use it. We do have also 2 top 1 futures accounts to give away. So we'll give away one of those to one of our VIP members. We'll do a VIP giveaway. We'll duck race the VIP members. How about that? Because I think there's too many members to duck race on stream for all the other streamers, but or not streamers, whatever. The viewers on stream, but we could probably duck race the VIP members. Am I gonna be using the AI algo today? Yeah, probably. It's kind of goated. If we're choppy today, I'm just gonna probably just trade the algo. All right. Trying to pass my Lucid accounts today. Just need 1,500 on these accounts. Just 1,500. Yeah, pretty nice if we can hit a good run today, but we'll see. Mondays are usually a little choppier, so we'll see what we get. Did I have any giveaways last week? Yeah, we did one giveaway last week. We were able to hit our like count last Friday. I had to get on my knees and beg, but we hit it. Alrighty. A lot of time, I think one of the biggest comments that I get on my YouTube is like how I identify key levels. So we'll kind of do that right now. We'll see if we got any other ones. So, like I like to go on the hourly. I think the hourly is like plenty high enough, but you can go on higher time frames too. So what I look for is just levels that price can close over. For example, like I think this was like a good level, right? Right here too. Price can close below this. So I like find just like historical levels where price had a little trouble, and then I'll literally just put a horizontal ray across it, right? And then I'll just mark this out as a key level, but then I'll also make sure to just kind of go across to see if it has a lot of touches on any other places or any other spots on price. So as I'm kind of scanning across, I see that it doesn't close over this, right? It doesn't close over these two. There's a lot of touches here, so let me actually mark it out. A lot of touches here. Can't close above this. We get some massive chop here. We get rejection here, massive chop here, rejection, right? So this is definitely like some sort of level that we should look out for. So let's go back. Even if we go back here, look at it, it's like almost perfect, right? We get rejection here, rejection here. Look at that. You know, that's like a pixel perfect rejection. So even if you marked out, so this would be a base, right? A price base. So even if you marked out this price base earlier and you just left it on your chart as a key level, right? Just go to a lower time frame. When price comes down to this key level, right? You can be kind of looking for maybe 30 seconds might be too much. Go on a 5 minute, right? And look for like a shift in market structure, right? Like you would get a shift here, but that wouldn't be really confluent, right? I want to say this is super confluent because it's not the sweeping candle. That's why we always like to look for the one that's the sweeping candle, right? So we would be looking here for this to get broken. And then as price develops, price keeps going, right? And now you finally get a sleeping candle, and then you wait for that sleeping candle to break, and that would be your long entry. Fuck you. So that's how I like to use key levels. So that's kind of good. We just marked out one right now. Let's see if there are any other key levels. Like this was one, right? Right here. We had a couple closes on the hourly, and then we had a lot of closes here that it couldn't close below previous New York open, or previous New York, not open. So let's mark this one out as key level. And then let's scan across to see if it was actually like pretty relevant. That's pretty relevant. That's like, that looks like literally the middle of the chop, right? Ooh, I would probably consider that the key level, right? Put it up right to that base. Yeah, I kind of like that a little bit more. Right, that makes more sense. That's that base. And if we go back, you probably get more touches on it. Like, look at these pixel perfect touches. Right? Like, a lot of times it does go straight through it. It went straight through to here. It's not going to respect it every time, but it's a level to watch out for. Right? You can just tell. Like, right here. A ton of touches here. So that's simply how I look for key levels. I'm sure there's algos and quants, you know, to like find these key levels, but if you want to just do it manually, it's just how I do it. So we got a bunch of key levels that we're looking at here. Let's go for our bias for the day. So remember, we are bearish on NQ on the macro. But we got some daily wicks. It might be a little choppy today. Let me get to your guys' questions. Trump is speaking tomorrow. Yikes. Oh, you finished the book over the weekend? Nice, dude. Yeah, it's a really good book. And it's a good read. So just Cam read Trading in the Zone. So, yeah, man, that's a really good book to just kind of go back to. Especially when you're struggling, like with your psych. Just go back and read that book. It's good. Could be an inside day. Yeah, it definitely could be. Let me see how many points we are to this high. It's still like 500 points. 500 points. I almost feel like this could be the range. It's maybe something like this. Look at this on a lower time frame. What color should we do? Let's just do black. No, I like black. I don't know if that's right. That seems like crazy deviations for a range. This might be more realistic for our range that we're in. Everyone in the VIP, make sure you type something in the chat today. Just say like you were here, and then in case you guys have to leave later, I'll make sure I get you guys into the giveaway, the VIP giveaway. So 962 or 9, what level is it? 959 is where heat map's saying that there's a bunch of orders. It's right around our key level. 975, that's right above Asia high. Oops. VWAP calculated, there we go. So, alright. So saying we got a bunch of orders at like 959 and at like 975. And 965, 970 is around top of value. So that would kind of make sense. So if we have a bunch of orders at 975, right? Top of value is around like 970. It makes sense that price comes up here and maybe like we wick to all those orders and come back down. Also like a 28-point move, 30-point move from where we are. Yo, Ogatari, what's up, man? Yo, Okatari, you got sent a free account, by the way. Check your email. 7th Baha. I don't know if you guys checked your email yet, but you guys got a free accounts for the mentorship. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Oh, dude, let's go. This is crazy, dude. Maybe Bookmap was the missing piece. I haven't watched Bookmap this closely, so let's just kind of see what it does. Can you guys see Bookmap like well enough? Is it big enough on the screen? If it's not, I can try to like cut the screen actually to make it bigger. JMK is now Exodia. Got the final piece. Yeah, we got Bookmap plus Algo. Bookmap plus Algo JMK. We're evolving. Is that better? You guys can see Bookmap better, right? I just kind of changed it up a little bit. Cut out some of the noise, or some of like the settings area. What program for Bookmap am I using? I'm using Bookmap. It's just called Bookmap. Should I cut off more of the left? I might make it bigger. I think realistically we only need to see this much, so. There we go. That's easier to see, right? It might be easier for you guys to see that. One sec, guys. My wife is leaving for work. Gotta say bye. The whole Justin Working thing? What is that? Who is that? I don't know who that is. Where's my browser? Justin, oh, Worley, not Working. Who's Justin Worley? Oh, he's a trading YouTuber? No, I didn't see what happened. What happened with Justin Worley? Also, does this free account count as the one I wanted to give away? Yeah, that'll be Okatari. That'll be your giveaway account. The other, I gave one for the other mentors because they've also been in the mentorship for like over a month. So it was just kind of a thank you for them. And that'll be your giveaway account. And then yeah, I mean, if you guys are still in the mentorship later, we'll do more giveaway accounts for you guys, or just free accounts, not even giveaways. Yeah, or if you're struggling, right? I mean, the main part of the mentorship is like, I want to help you to pay out. So, you know, there's been some students who have a little bit more trouble, and I've just been getting them more accounts so they can, you know, practice a little bit more, try to track for that payout. Yeah, what happened with Justin Worley though? What was the thing? Never seen you using order flow on Lightroom screen? Oh yeah, I mean, we got it now. What are you looking for on Bookmap? Are you using it as entry confluence or trade management or both? I'm using more as probably confluence. I mean, if we were given an X-ray into the market, right, where we're just seeing where all the resting orders are, we don't really have to guess where liquidity is, right? We're not really guessing, oh, liquidity is going to be here, oh, liquidity is going to be here. We can literally visually see where liquidity is, so. I think it'll be good for targets. I think it'll be good for support and resistance, seeing if we're actually getting absorption at levels. So that is just how I'm going to be using it. You can see, like, even right now, like, price is just like magnetized towards this point at like 75. We also had that node at 55 that got taken, right? We talked about 55. Those is around our key level. We got to move straight up. You're gonna say longs look pretty juicy? Yeah, longs are looking good. I didn't really want to take a pre-market trade, personally, so. Although this level is not bad. That actually might have been worth taking. I'm gonna mark out the space. So I keep on trying to set the template, but I don't have templates, so I already know this is gonna bother me. Alrighty, right at Asia high. W brother, man, keeping me disciplined. Hey, beauty of trading nowadays, you can trade on your phone. Alrighty, right at that 75 level. That's crazy, man. Price just straight attracted to those levels of liquidity are there. So yeah, that level at 75, all those orders getting filled. Ton of sell orders coming in. Oh, this is fantastic. I wish I used bookmap earlier. So let's see how this works, or let's see how it reacts. We have a bunch of sellers right now. Oh dang, did someone spoof? There was a seller, a huge seller, but he just left. Bro pieced out. Bro literally pieced out. Maybe he reversed his position. $40 seconds till market open. What's my bias, long or short? I don't have a bias right now. If anything, I'd be long. We're above value. We're above value, and we're talking about how this was like a really nice cup and handle. So if anything, I'd be long biased, but in terms of the higher time frame, I don't really have a bias right now. It's pretty conflicting. So I'm probably just gonna honestly, realistically, take today a little easy. Mondays are usually a little choppier, so usually. So we'll see what we get. Market open. Ooh, buyers. Oh wow, dude. Right at key level. That's not really too convincing of a short. Points already. It's like 20 points. Dang, I try to get filled in long. Unfortunate, couldn't get filled on that. That would've been like 40 points. Feels bad. Should've just marketed in. You can see the resting orders, right? A bunch of orders is at 25.50. It's probably heading for that right now. I haven't really looked at Bookmap that intensely, so it's gonna be a learning process. I'm not gonna really trade off of it. I'm just gonna be observing it. So I'll let you guys know. I was looking for a long on this level. Might be a little late for it now. Nope. Maybe. The 1 minute's getting a lot of wicks to the top side, so maybe taking longs might not be the angle here. Could be a short angle. I'm gonna short this. I'm liking this short. Might be a little too much to put on the table. I'm gonna put like 150 risk. Let's see if we can get down. Okay, so this was a level I was a little interested in for a long. So I think if this is like respected, we're probably on the wrong side of the market. I want to see us come down and close below it, and then I might add to this position. We need to close below that level though. So there's a ton of buyers on that level. They're not letting it close. Come on. There it is. Woo! That was a big flush. I'm gonna add to this, bring my stop down. We have like 200 in total. Oh shit, I don't even know where I actually don't know exactly where I would want to take profits on this. Let's see. Realistically, we try to get down to VWAP. I don't know if we'll make it to 937. 37. I'd be happy if we can make it down to this level. This might chop this out. I think realistically our stop, we want to keep it here. I don't know if I want to risk 300. I'm gonna keep my risk at 200. I'm still liking this because if we're bearish, right, we're gonna have bearish distribution. And if we have bearish distribution, I would say like this is the highest that should come up. You know what, screw it. Let's keep our stop here. Let's keep it wide enough to give this some space. But if we are distributing bearishly, this is the high that you want protected, so. All right, that's a good move. So we're gonna bring our stop down to that. And I can't put an order for 3. I might get stopped out. Okay, I stopped out for like 150. Make sure that's fine. Yeah, stopped out for like 150 is fine. I don't know which way this market's going. It looks like we're up. There's a ton of buyers here. Yeah, we're either chopping or we're up. I was hoping this would come down to at least this key level here, and then if we saw it push up, I was trying to set some limit buys here. But price wanted to shoot up straight off. What is that? London high? Asia high? Let me move these little coasters so I can see them. I'm not too convinced on the long just yet, but there are a lot of buyers. The reason I'm not convinced on the long is because even on the 1 minute, right? Look at that, off this key level, we're just getting a ton of rejection off of it. I might try this short. I feel like I'm gonna get chopped up to keep on trying to short this market. Maybe I should wait for it to break Asia low. It's choppy, man. You gotta chill. Yeah, we have a huge node at 2550 still. It's really close to our key level as well. Okay, that looks super bearish. Are we gonna have follow through? Or are we gonna bounce off Asia high again? All right, I'm in. Alright, there it is. Quick little scalp. I don't, like, this could run, but we're way too close to VWAP. I didn't want to hold it. Make sure VWAP's fully calculated. Yeah, we're way too close to VWAP, so like we could get that bounce off VWAP even if we're short. Right? That's kind of why I wanted to just take a quick scalp and close it out there. Nice, solid, man. That's good. I think we might be flushing, guys. I'm actually gonna join. $871. I'm break even. Get whipped out, it feels bad. Taking out break even there. Might stop too sensitive. Kinda wanna get back in on this. I'm gonna put 100 on the table on this trade. 871 is still kind of like my target. That's bottom of value. And I do think it could run lower. 77. $26. Let's do it. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, let's flush through to 871. Damn, that's not a good move. $871. Come on. Damn, dude. Feels bad. I think it still runs lower. It just took me out. Yeah, if your guys' stop is a little less sensitive, you guys might still hit target. I have my stop really sensitive, so feels kind of bad. Damn, that would have been a winning trade. Fuck. Damn. Alright, so we just wiped one London low. Let's see what we get off that. That's also Valley area low. I'd say it's pretty confident for trying to fish for a long somewhere off this area. No, we'll see. Right on that base. There it is, that might be it. I'm watching. I'm gonna buy in on this. We still have that huge note at 25.50. If we can get that. Let's see. It's fine retesting this base. Now we come down and retest this base down here. I want to actually add to this. VWAP is calculated. Alright, we want to take VWAP back here. Can we push through VWAP? Let's see. Honestly, I think we didn't close too bearish. We actually closed decently bullish. We couldn't close below a lot of those levels, so I'm starting to really like this. Yeah, we do need to take VWAP back. I think that's going to be key here. Ew. Take that base. Man. Come on, reclaim base, push the VWAP. Come on, buyers. I'm gonna add more to this with my stop up. This is break even. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got some levels to work through. This is definitely gonna be a level to work through. But the good thing is that we're back above VWAP, so that's a really good sign. We need to be able to hold it though. There it is. Come on, buyers. I want 2 off here. After we take this, I'm more than likely going to trail my stop. We are trading some Apex PAs. So although if this was not Apex PAs, I'd probably just let it run. But I think because it's Apex PAs, I'm going to trail my stop after we take this. Assuming that we even take this. Come on. Don't do me dirty like this. I am not liking that too much, if I'm completely honest with you. We need to see bears win here, or bulls win off the VWAP, otherwise this trade's doomed. Come on. Damn, bro, you gotta be kidding me. I can't tell if buys are still in control or not. Higher time frame is looking bearish now, so that's the whole reason I moved up my stop, and it's kind of playing it safe on this trade. We're back below VWAP 2. Space is probably pretty key. Longs could still be in play. It's not like we can't take VWAP back, right? Or use it as support here. But I would say on the 15 minute, 5 minute, it all closed pretty bearishly. be a short. It looks like we're gonna close below VWAP. Previous 5-minute close below VWAP. We have 4 minutes left on the 15. Oh, and the hour too. I guess that's also the hourly close, so maybe just wait for the hourly. Hourly is a crazy doji right now. Look at that. A straight up indecision. That looks good on buyer's end. I'm gonna get in long. Let's see if buyers can take control. Realistically, this key level. Risk is pretty low, about $100. I'm like right below this base because I think it could come down to like pixel perfect tap this base. Come on. I'm gonna hold that. Push up. It's looking weak. Damn. Unlucky boys. Taking a few jabs at the market. We're down like 200, 240. It's not too bad. Is looking short to you? Yeah, it's also looking short to me. It closed below VWAP on the hourly and the 15. Oh, actually, wait, the hourly didn't close yet. Never mind. But I agree, it's also looking short to me as well. I don't know if I want to join a short before this candle closes. 20 seconds. If this like pumps up and closes above VWAP, my short bias is gone out the window. So going a little wild there. Oh, it closed below. I'm short. I'm in 1 micro right now, but I will be adding to this. Nice. That's Asia low down here. We'll aim for Asia low. This is looking good. This looks pretty weak. I definitely want my stop above VWAP for now, until we start closing lower. And chopped out, boys. Holy moly, dude. How disgusting is that? Hard to trade the breakout, man. Look at that. It just doesn't want to break out. Got a lot of sellers here, though. Let me make sure VWAP is calculated again. Try one more time. You gotta be kidding me. I'm so sad. I'm so sad, bro. My order. I'm gonna join this. That was a good move. Let's see if we can get down to Asia low. Dude, it didn't fail me on that. That's so sad. I might just mark it now instead of trying to join ask or bid. Damn, that would have been a good move. Would have caught it right here too. 40 points. One minute's looking very bearish. Can't see any levels. Man, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Dang, that's divergence off of sweeping London low. What a bad trading day. Oh man. Getting chopped up. Dang, that did not look long to me. How many points would our stop be here? 20 points. Man, I really don't like this long. I think the FOMO in me wants to take this long, but I don't like it. Like 1 minute doesn't look too strong, 5 minute doesn't look strong at all. I think if anything, I want to short this. Man, I'm just getting chopped up here though. Try for this short again. We're in a small position, 3 micros, about 100 risk. Let's see. I really don't think buyers are in control here. But honestly, we've been getting like random like 50-point pullbacks, so that's why I'm a little worried about taking breakout trades like this. It has not been working today. Nice. Come on, just flush. That's good. We closed below this low. Oh shit, I thought we closed below it. It's fine, give it a little retest. I don't see bulls coming up off of that. And I am completely wrong. Alright. Alright guys, I think I'm done for the day. I am gonna tilt today, I feel it. I'll probably be back on for power hour or something. I need to step away from the charts because this is not going. Oh man, what a day. I'm just getting chopped up, so. Yeah guys, I'll be back. I'll be back probably honestly before power hour. Probably back in like an hour or something. But I need to get off the charts for a little bit. Alrighty guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna stop the stream for now though. Peace.